Hey, good afternoon. Welcome to Wide Open Spaces. This is Frank again. It's been a while since we recorded any videos, and I'm really sorry about that. Business life took over. We have a kitchen and bath business, and it has taken off, and we're at our showroom here where our Bigfoot is located. And please accept my apology again. And I saw we have a couple of subscribers new, and I really appreciate it. And I saw all the hits on a couple of the videos, and I'm so excited. My son-in-law is behind the camera, Zach, and he's being kind enough to get me back up. Here is the 1997 Bigfoot, which you've seen a couple of the videos with. You might notice a couple of cool things. My son has 3D printed some covers for the Happy Jack motors. I rebuilt the motors from scratch, brushes, gears. I did everything. Next is going to be the legs. I was hoping to refinish the camper. I had someone come out. They helped me compound it. It's not really holding a shine, so we're going to probably wind up lining it in a really cool color. I will go over that with you when it's time. Also, the bumper was lined in white, but I cut in all the doors. I'm filling this area in. If you poke your head inside there, you'll notice there's a slide-in propane tank that was just purchased. And that's going to have a door access on this side here to come out so it could be slid out and filled. Basically what the jacks are going to look like when they're done is something to this effect. So wrapped aligned in black, we redid all the wiring, again the caps, this is all done in black, all the gaskets are redone. So yeah, we're doing it little by little. All 4 jacks have just been rebuilt. I do have a video coming out on us disassembling the jack. Panther RV is going to be carrying the parts. So if you are interested in, when I say rebuilding your jacks, I mean, you know, re-greasing, checking the gears out, making sure that the clutches are working okay, the brushes, the levers, the parts are available. So instead of spending $1,500 on 4 new heads, you could rebuild the ones you have if they're not too badly damaged. And then the legs, of course, they can be taken apart. I'll do one of those videos for you. There's an Acme screw in there. It's a very fine screw that lifts the camper up. We're gonna go over all of this little by little. Real quick, while Zach has the camera. So if you notice, this is a 1/8" aluminum, 2" wide metal. And if you look at the belly band on here, if you wanna call it that, the joint, what's gonna happen is this is gonna go over and then it's gonna be secured. All the wood behind here has all been replaced and epoxied with a West Systems epoxy system. But this is what we're looking at, and it's gonna be a really cool build. These are gonna, once these are cut to fit, they're also gonna go vertically like this. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna have them powder coated in black, and then we're gonna do an exposed fastener. It's gonna be very military looking. That's the look I'm going for. This video is gonna be just an overview of everything that's happened since I've seen you guys. I wanted to go over real quick about the Bigfoot 3000 series. This is not 2 shells that go together like the Bigfoot is famous for. This actually has well, now it has a PVC roof, but this is 3 pieces. It's a top, a roof, and a bottom. So it uses this fiber core wall system, 1997. So what I did was, a lot of the problems, water infiltrates between the bumper and the camper, and it rots, and then the camper loses all its structural integrity, and it actually changes shape, and that's where you'll see the cabinet shifting and everything else. So what I did was, after speaking to people out on the forums, was I took an aluminum U-channel and I went from end all the way to end and put wood inside of the U-channel like the Arctic Fox does, and then I epoxied all the wood so it would be waterproof, up and down, so the bumper becomes a structural, monolithic, integrated piece to this structure. So basically, there's no more movement in this wall, there's no more movement in the bumper, and now there can't be any more water infiltration because there's actual butyl tape between the C-channel, the fiberglass bumper, and the metal down below. And it's all held together now. There will be a trim piece put between this butyl so you don't see it for aesthetics. This bumper now holds the camper in its shape, and this part here, the hips on this camper, when the bumper falls apart from the water damage, this will start to sag, and you'll see the camper, like it looks like it has wings and it's laying low. That's what causes the problems with these campers. It's a very involved process. You have to level the whole camper because you need to have a relative zero to go by. Once you level out the camper, then you start putting your structural aluminum. I use aluminum for weight savings, but by the time you're done, you can now hold the whole camper structurally level. Now you build on top of that. So you need a ground zero level portion to work off of before you start going further. When the truck camper's all sagging, same with the up front bed area that I fixed, you need to get the camper on a level basis so that you can now work from a level. When you put a level inside, then everything will feel out, or you'll build the whole camper crooked. So that's what we did. Hey, so we're gonna take a quick walk inside. Even though it looks kind of rough in here, a lot has happened since my last video. Basically, it's been gutted. All the styrofoam's been replaced. We put a new bed area up there. We moved all the rot, all the wood that goes along the bottom of the belly band. All the wood on the bottom has been epoxied with West Systems epoxy, so this wood could actually be put underwater and not rot. We have beautiful wall panels that are all going to be going in here. I had the whole screen door black powder coated. All the parts are downstairs. We're going to start building on that. Brand new inverter, converter. We're going to be putting the lithium ion batteries, and that's a Wizard Pro I have, and I'll go over that with you guys. Yeah, look forward to doing this project again and getting it going. Here's a picture of the propane tank, and there's going to be an access door put in over there, so that's going to slide in and out, and we're going to continue the couch area, and then the kitchen cabinets are all going in here. In reference to the Fiamma awning, the Fiamma F45 that came on the camper from the factory, very, very expensive awning. It's like a $2,000 to $3,000 awning. Again, Panther RV, who I work with all the time over there, sold me a lot of the parts, and that was white. And what we did was we actually had that powder coated by my powder coater. All the parts have been rebuilt. There's a couple of white pieces there that are going to get painted. The roof is brand new. Again, that big wide molding. I know it's a little rippery up there, but that's because there's butyl tape underneath the roof membrane. So that's all fiberglass, a fiberglass arch that's up there. So that's going to get covered in that 2-inch wide aluminum molding. That's where we are right now. It's exciting. We're getting back in. I mean, we've got to get this project done. It's been sitting around. Last time I shot the video, it was on the other side of my building. We put it on the truck and we had a success. The F350 was able to carry it with no problem. It's a 2023 F350 7.3 Godzilla, full-size 8-foot bed. It has a lot of packages on it. Front plow package. It has almost 11,900 gross weight package. It doesn't have the camper package, and it did come with a sticker that said no truck campers on it, but it has everything but the sway bar, and we're going to put it on there. It has the 10-speed automatic, and the truck handled it when I put it on there without a doubt, no problem. We also upgraded from the wired remote, again, Panther RV, we upgraded to the wireless system that they have. So the logic board is being upgraded, the remote, I'll go over that with you, and I'm going to wire these. But if you notice, all the wiring has been wrapped in nylon, and it's all shrink wrapped. So my son, thank God, has a 3D printer. So we're going to be 3D printing brand new sockets for this to go into. So everything's going to be really good. Yeah, we're going to go over colors, getting new rubbers for the windows. But yeah, we're motivated to start getting going. So thanks again for checking back with us, and we'll speak soon.